Hi guys, it's Spence from ONYX Automotive, and as you can see right behind me, there is a beautiful Lamborghini STO. This car has came in for a full paint protection film install, so therefore the entire car is going to be protected from stone chips and scratches. For a car of this value, it's definitely needed, and we're not going to do too much talk in this video. We're going to get straight into the process of how we do that right now. So there you have it guys, the Lamborghini STO has officially been complete. We've paint protected the entire car with xpel paint protection film. What that means is if the car does end up with some scratches or stone chips or a key mark or any severe scratches, rather than repainting the whole panel, which is very expensive, the customer can then bring the car back in and we'll just completely replace the panel with PPF, which is a lot cheaper than repainting the panel. Not only have we paint protected the whole car, we've also done the door cards as well. So when you get in and out and your feet scrape against the door, the carbon fiber door cards are now protected as well. If you guys have watched this video because you like Lamborghini STOs, you can check out this video right here where we detailed our Lamborghini STO. You can check that one out right after this video. And if you guys enjoy the paint protection installs, make sure you subscribe with notifications on, because we've got some more very special cars in. And actually right opposite, there's a very special car worth 3 million plus, so get excited for that one. I'm not going to give that one away yet, but you'll see soon what we've got in right now and what we've got in the future. But you need to subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss those videos. Anyway, I've been Spence, this has been ONYX Automotive, and I'll see you guys very soon.